Welcome back, guys. We're gonna be making smoothies, starting out with a normal base of vanilla protein powder and just regular milk. We're gonna be mixing these nasty ingredients. These are nasty, and these are semi good, and these are, actually good to put in a smoothie.
And we have a bowl of all the ingredients in there, all 12, and then we're gonna randomly select them as we go, and whatever it is, we have to add it.
So now we're gonna pour the start of this into here. Okay. I'm nervous.
Not like she can see anything, but okay.
Rose grenadine. This is like a cherry flavored thing for what's it called?
Shirley Temples.
Shirley Temples. Wait.
Ranch!
Oh my god. Okay, stop. Now put this away. Next one. Cream cheese.
You gotta have a little bit more of that. Oh, it's gonna be like thing. Parmesan cheese? Bro, I need to stop picking.
You have all those good ingredients over there. Just a little bit. Orange, please be mango, please be mango, please be mango.
We need at least one of these.
Frozen strawberries! Let's go.
Raspberry jam.
That's good. Frozen mango! Let's go. Careful. Ew. This has a vanilla protein shake for a base, frozen mango, frozen strawberry, ranch dressing, grenadine, raspberry jam, and cream cheese in here. Oh, and not to mention Parmesan cheese. So let's see how this mixes. Here goes nothing.
Just in case we have that.
You ready for this?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Almost like.
Oh my god!
No, the aftertaste. The
aftertaste is ranch.
No, I'm gonna throw up.
If it wasn't for the aftertaste of ranch, this honestly would not be bad.
Hang on. Are we trying to eat this entire thing?
I mean, it's not that bad.
It's good until it's bad.
Mm-hmm.
Ranch?
It's the ranch, oh my god. Thank you guys for watching us make a ranch flavored smoothie. Honestly, disgusting. But we appreciate you guys spending your time with us. And stay tuned until next time for whatever random concoction Chef Lopez wants us to make next. Bye.